song is an accordion tune all the way from the 70s, and this is from the East Coast, I believe, or maybe from the West Coast, but at least from the coast. Carry on my wayward son, there'll be peace when you are done. Lay your weary head to rest, don't you cry no more. There was above the noise and confusion, just to get a glimpse beyond this illusion. I was soaring ever higher, but I flew too high. Though my eyes could see, I still was a blind man. Though my mind